In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Meet with GoHighLevel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be set up to seamlessly manage your Google Meet sessions from your GoHighLevel dashboard, enhancing your efficiency and workflow. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your GoHighLevel account. This is the starting point where all the magic will happen. Once you're logged in, navigate to your GoHighLevel sub-account dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage all your settings and integrations with ease. Now we need to connect your Google account to GoHighLevel. To do this, you have a couple of options. You can either go through the settings and then choose integrations, or if you prefer, you can click on settings followed by profile. Both paths will lead you to the next step, so choose whichever you feel most comfortable with. Once in the right section, look for the option that says Connect Google Account. This is the key gateway to linking your Google services with GoHighLevel. Go ahead and click on it. A prompt will appear requesting you to sign in with your Google account. It's important to choose the account you wish to use for your meetings. This ensures that all events and meeting details are synced correctly. Enter your credentials as prompted. This is your opportunity to align the two services, enabling seamless scheduling and meeting management. Once you've signed in, the next step is granting the necessary permissions. This might include access to your Google Calendar, Google Meet, and scheduling functionalities. These permissions are crucial as they allow GoHighLevel to fetch and send data to your Google Calendar. It might seem like a lot at first, but providing these permissions ensures everything works smoothly, from syncing your meetings to updating your calendar. Remember to review each permission request. It's always good practice to know what access you're granting. Once satisfied, click to accept and allow access. This step is critical in ensuring GoHighLevel can efficiently manage and schedule your meetings without any hiccups. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Meet with GoHighLevel. This integration will significantly streamline your workflow, keeping your schedules organized and your meetings coordinated all from one central platform. Take a moment to check everything is functioning correctly by perhaps scheduling a test meeting. This will give you peace of mind and ensure everything is syncing perfectly between Google Meet and GoHighLevel. Should there be any issues, revisit the steps and ensure permissions are correctly set. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Enjoy the newfound integration and make the most of your organized meetings. Thanks for watching and have a great day.